Make pasta like this and surprise your family. In a pan, add water, salt to taste, 250 g of pasta and cook for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, take the time to prepare what comes next. Heat a frying pan with a tablespoon of butter and olive oil to taste. The aroma will already start filling your kitchen. Now, add 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce and fry for a minute. This is the perfect base for our dish. Then season with salt to taste, pepper to taste, paprika to taste and basil to taste and mix. Feel the delicious smell. Soon after, add 4 units of eggs and fry for 4 minutes. Then stir very well and watch the magic happen. Soon after, add 4 units of eggs and fry for 4 minutes. Then stir very well and watch the magic happen. Then pour 200 g of cream and mix again. This brings creaminess and a special touch to the dish. Finish with chives to taste. Look how beautiful it is. And here it is, our Thai noodles with 4 eggs is ready to be consumed. A delight that will conquer the palate of all. Did you like this recipe? So don't forget to like and follow our page for more tips like this.